Myself Nikhil Singh. I am here to narrate you a small story of Udan. The film Udan is inspired by the book The Simple Fly. The film tells us the story of Nadumaran Rajaram, a young man who roots for a dream to middle class to fly a low cost airline. He was an ordinary man with his extraordinary dream. So let's begin with the story. The Maran was born in middle class family, a son of small school teacher. They live in a small underdeveloped village where no facility were available such as transport, electricity. Maran father always write letter to the authority for bringing facilities in his village so that their livelihood can get better. But unfortunately, after writing so many letters, the authorities were not responding to his letter. By seeing this, Maran started protest against the railway to give a halt in their village. But the things became worse, and many protesters got injured. Maran father believe in non-violence. After seeing this, Maran father was not happy with him. The Maran decided uh, after some aggressive argument, Maran left home after they both refused to talk to each other. After that, he completed his graduation from National Defense Academy and joined Indian Air Force as a captain. His family was very joyful for the achievement uh, which he got. But after some ages, Maran's father's medical condition was not good. His last wish was to see his son. After knowing this, the condition of his father, he applied for the leave and rushes to the airport, so he can reach fast to his father. But the plane fare was very high. He cannot afford to purchase a ticket. He asked other passenger to help him with some money, but no one helped him, and he can't reach to his father at the time. His father died. At that time he thought and dreamed for launching his own airline services for common man. Soon after a year, go being with the captain, his army life wasn't making him happy. So after taking an early retirement, he started work on his dream with his friends. Sooner his bigger dream started to take shape, to start his own airline services for common man with a very cheaper rate and some people at rupees 1. But his part 2 dream is filled with roadblocks, evil mans, and he got rejected many times over and over by the banks and investor. He was very disappointed by that. He thought to drop the plan. Uh, he thought to But then the villager came to help him by providing some funds. By seeing this, he again started approaches to the bank and got some loan. He bought After that he bought some chartered plane that were in on auction. But the problem was not solved. The airport were very far from the villages. So he thought of maintaining a land where the plane were landing in older days. With the help of maintained the land properly. Now the plane were ready to land. The problem was not solved yet. The villagers were uneducated and was not able to book ticket, as the main motive was to make poor and needy people to fly. After many research, he got an idea to start a booth where people can go and purchase a ticket. The booth were placed near the public place such as railway station, bus stop, so that the people can avail ticket easily. After many ups and downs, he was all set to ready to fly. With the hard work and efforts, he completed his dream, and the people started to fly at the low cost. In short, it's good, very good movie. It shows the effort. With effort, we can achieve everything what we want to.